subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Mobvoi is back with a new Wear OS smartwatch in form of the Ticwatch E3. The E-series is one of the manufacturer's lines of affordable Wear OS watches, and the E3 is the third model, arriving more than 2 years after the Ticwatch E2. Ticwatch E3 keeps the round dial design of its predecessor, but save for that, differs in other ways. The display, which is housed in a polycarbonate frame, is smaller at 1.3 inches with a resolution of 360 by 360 and with 2.5D curved glass on top. There are now 2 buttons on the watch, one at 2 o'clock and the other at 4 o'clock. It also appears that Mobvoi has dropped AMOLED for LCD, as the spec sheet doesn't mention the screen type but describes it as a high-density display. It is important to mention that because the screen is smaller, the straps have also reduced in width from 22mm to 20mm, so your Ticwatch E2 strap won't work with this, but any third-party 20mm quick-release strap should suffice. The key upgrade the Ticwatch E3 brings is the Snapdragon Wear 4100 processor, the same one in the manufacturer's high-end Ticwatch Pro 3/Ticwatch Pro 3 LTE. The SoC, which brings a faster and smoother experience compared to the Snapdragon Wear 2100, is paired with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage. As expected, there is a 24/7 heart rate monitor, and Mobvoi has also added a blood oxygen sensor for all-day blood oxygen saturation monitoring. You also have Tic Sleep for sleep monitoring, Tic Zen for stress monitoring, and Tic Breathe for breathing exercises. There is an option to share your health and fitness data with a loved one, and via Tic Care you can also remotely monitor your loved one's wearable data. The mobile app has been redesigned as shown. The Ticwatch E3 has support for over 20 professional workout modes, including football, swimming, basketball, Pilates, taekwondo, and ice skating. You only get 21 workout modes out of the box, with a promise for more via updates. A new feature that has been added is support for high-intensity interval training, HIIT, which means that the watch will be able to record workouts such as burpees, high knees, squat jumps, jumping jacks, reverse crunches, and planks. There is also Tic Motion, which automatically detects your workout and begins to track and record your health data. The smartwatch has GPS, GLONASS, and Beidou positioning built in. It also has NFC for Google Pay and support for music playback control. Users will be able to pair the watch to the TicPods 2 and TicPods 2 Pro Plus for a completely hands-free experience, thus allowing them to issue voice commands to control playback. The Ticwatch E3 has a microphone and speaker, so you can take calls on it. It also has Google Assistant built in, and you can call up the assistant with their power button and control your smart home devices by speaking to the watch. There is a 380 mAh battery capacity inside it. While the battery life is not stated, there is an essential mode that automatically kicks in when the battery level falls below 5%. Owners will be able to customize when they want the feature to get activated. Ticwatch E3 is already available for purchase on their manufacturer's website. It is priced at $199.99 in the US and €199.99 in Europe, while other countries can purchase it from the global website for $229.99. The watch comes in Panther Black, but you can buy a yellow or blue strap for $19.99/€19.99. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.